Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Chef Lara from larasvegankitchen.com and I'm here to inspire you to get creative in your kitchen. That's why I'm sharing every Monday a new easy vegan recipe, and you can find as always the link to the full recipe in the description box below. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Now I'm going to show you how to make easy vegan mesh with gravy. Because it's easy, it's vegan, it's healthy, it's gluten-free, and it's super delicious. So let's go cooking! As I said, it's easy, it's vegan, it's healthy, it's gluten-free, and it's super delicious. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to know when my video is up next Monday. I hope I could inspire you to go cooking, and let me know in the comments below how your dish turned out and what you want to see next. Happy cooking, everyone!